Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. So an error incorporated will printing. So guys, how to fix? Click to start button and go to setting and then click to Windows update. So guys, any pending update to please install it, and KBC also pending, so you can install, because sometime will be new update and some driver is not working. Okay, so you properly click to download, and if any showing some error related to update, so that is our every issue, so please solve this error. Okay, then second solutions, run troubleshoot. Click to start button, click to setting, then scroll down, troubleshoot options. So in system, troubleshoot options. Okay, other troubleshoot, then printer. So run this, and this process will be run around 5 minutes. Then fix your issues. Okay, then okay. Now second solutions. You do all steps. Third solution, it's guys, click to and type control panel. Okay, then view by category, select category, uninstall program. So guys, any printing, if you using the printer driver, so install any printer driver, so click to uninstall and go to browser and install latest one. So please clearly select and uninstall, select and uninstall it. Okay, and last and final, then guys also click and search control panel. So actually uninstall latest update, so click update and uninstall latest update, select this one and click to uninstall. Okay, so last install, if so you uninstall please. Okay, and then guys you restart, turn off your internet and then restart, otherwise the this update will be installed again automatically.